Alright, I have a question for you guys, and I really don't know the answer for this one. So I just want to know which approach is correct when we have -1 to the -1/2 power. So have a look for the first one. So I'm going to just take care of the negative exponent first by putting this down to the bottom. So I'm going to get 1 over this thing on the bottom as -1 raised to the 1/2 power. Yeah? And then of course we know that when we have this to the 1/2 power, we can turn that into a square root. So this is just 1 over square root of -1. Square root of -1 is just I. So this is 1 over I. And then I don't know to be on bottom, be on top. So I have to multiply the top and bottom by I. This right here is is equal to -1. And then I over -1, all in all we get -I. Alright? Good. Now, for the second one, I'm also going to take care of the negative exponent, but this way. I'm going to look at this as -1 times positive 1/2. So let me just write that down. We have -1 times positive 1/2. And I will first look at -1 raised to the -1 power first, and then raised to the 1/2 power. Because of course, when we have a power to a power, we multiply the powers together. So this step seems to be legit. Now what's -1 to the -1? Well, that's really just 1 over -1. Yeah, that's the inside, just that. And then we have that to the 1/2 power. Now what's 1 over -1? Just -1. And then, of course, the 1/2 power is a square root. And finally, we have the square root of -1. Oh my god, it's I. So, what's the answer? Is the answer to this -I, or is the answer to this positive I? Or is it both? Let me know.